warning sign men have lost in sin. Ocean Beach don't give a second chance. From the edge of San Francisco streets where the city quits and the ocean speaks, bored under wrong nerves, pull tight, you paddle out anywhere every night. They say paddle size don't fight the bull, but panic makes a smart man cruel. Water don't shout, it don't explain, just drags you past the break again. Riptide calling like a long lost friend. Soft smooth lies about the way back in. Cold water grip, steel blue tide. Ocean Beach don't pick a side. Neoprene ghosts at the edge of dawn. Boards wash up but the riders are gone. Sirens hum where the fog rolls thick. Names get swallowed by the Pacific. Somebody's brother, somebody's kid. Swore they knew what they were doing, they did. Way too tall, the sky stayed wide. Nobody outruns the San Francisco Riptide. Hold hands taut when the tide runs low. Count the winds, count the ghosts, say no. They pour one out when the swells turn mean. Say she don't forgive, but she stays clean. Riptide pulling with a killer's calm. No rage, no fear, just steady arms. Cold water, truth, no alibi. Ocean Beach, don't ask it why. From San Francisco straight to the deep, some lesson you learn, some price you keep. If the sea lets go, you crawl back, change. If it don't, well, that's the game.